Today, I will be giving you a tour of our platform, IriSim. Once you've signed in, you will be taken to the landing page. Here, you're able to see your progress, recommended options, and some insights based on your past history. You'll want to navigate over to your dashboard. Here, you're able to see all the different modules that are available. Right now, for breaking bad news and prognosis, we currently have 3 scenarios. First, we'll click on the scenario with the patient Tony Gibbs. Here, you're able to see Tony's chart, his history, and all the information that you would typically receive from a patient. Once you've reviewed the chart, you're able to interact with a virtual patient. In training mode, you're able to get real-time feedback on what you say to the patient and how you can improve throughout the conversation. And you have the option to do voice chat or text chat. First, we will start with text chat. The green banners at the bottom represent the real-time feedback you get in training mode. One interesting feature about the text chat is you're able to perform examinations. Here, you can use the 3D body exam to click areas where the patient indicates there's pain. Once you're done with the conversation, you can click this button to end the session. Once you end the conversation, you will be given a score based on how many rubric items you completed during your conversation. You can then click View Detailed Evaluation. Here you can see the feedback page. You have a summary of your performance, your score. You also can see your progress since your last attempts. General improvements, what you did well. You also can see your OSCE rubric evaluation, see which items you were able to do correctly and which items you were not able to do. The rubric item cites the specific phrase you used where it awarded credit to your response based on the rubric. It also gives you suggestions of other phrases you could say instead that could maybe sound better to the patient. The other mode we can choose is the voice mode. Here we will be using a different patient, Miss Khan, and we will enter the voice chat. Once entered, click Start Call.
Hello, doctor.
Hi, Miss Khan. I'm Dr. Body. How are you doing today?
Hello. I'm just tired more than usual, and I've been coughing a lot at night.
Before we get started, I want to see, what do you know about your current disease?
I I know that I have lung cancer, and it's spread, but I don't really understand what that means now.
Well, perfect. So today we will be talking about your lung cancer, what metastasis means, what spreading means, and where to go from here. Does that sound okay with you? Do you have any questions?
Can you just tell me what metastasis means, please?
As you can see here, the voice chat has a hyper-realistic conversation and voice, as well as insights into their emotions. One feature currently in development is an ambient listening feature to enable students to receive feedback on their interactions with real patients during their rotation practice. Our platform has many amazing features that allow students to interact with a patient and practice their communication skills.